Hey, this is for parents to help our scholars with organizing their class notes. So this is what we did in class. We are actually working on converting fractions into decimals using the place value chart. So here I gave them the problem of 3/10 plus 56/100, which came from this problem right here. I ate 3/10 of my chip supply. That's the 3/10. Then I ate 56/100 of that same chip supply. That was the 56/100. How much of my chips did I eat? So 3/10 they wrote as a fraction on the left, and then they had to place it in the place value chart. So they put the 3 in the tens place, finding out that 3/10 is equal to 0.3. And then right here, 56/100, they put that in the proper place, 5 in the tens place, 6 in the hundreds place, which means it's 0.56. And then they just added it up. So it's a different way to learn how to add decimals from fraction conversion. So it's kind of combining two lessons to show them how it all interconnects, because I feel like that's missing a lot in how we learn partial numbers. So then they just added up, right? So this is what we went over in class. Now what that looks like in notes: 3/10 right here on the left. I encourage them to use the line to have neat notes. As I put a little arrow, and I put 0.3, 56/100, which equals 0.56, and then you just add it up, 0.86, which again would translate to 86/100, which would equal 86% of my chip supply that's been eaten. All right, so the next problem is I ate 6/10 of my grape supply, then I ate 29/100 of that same grape supply. How much of my grape supply did I eat? Answer in decimal fraction and percent form in the form of a sentence. In class, that looks like 6/10 on the left-hand side, which translates to 0.6 on the place value chart, plus 29/100, which translates to 0.29, and add it up, and that gives us 0.89. And in the notes, that looks like 6/10 right here on the left, which translates to 0.6. Put a placeholder 0, plus 29/100, which is 0.29, which when added up equals 0.89, or 89/100, or 89% of my grape supply has been eaten. And finally, we have 1 2/10 plus 3 9/10. There was no problem assigned to that. It's just adding those two mixed fractions. So 1 2/10 translates to 1.2 in the place value chart. 3 9/10 translates to 3.9. And we add it all up and we get 5.1. Let's take a look in the notes. All right, so 1 2/10 over here, which is 1.2, 3 9/10, which is 3.9. Add it up and you get 5.1. And that's it.